All right. Airport Management Challenges 2025. I am happy that you are concerned for the short-term challenges. Generally, people talk of the 5-year or 10-year challenges. But yes, you are right. We have just finished the 2024. And in that aspect, I think we should be concerned about the challenges of 2025. I personally feel that the airports by default has always lived and survived in the challenges only. Keeping airports to be economical viable shall be the efforts of all concerned, be it governments, be it the airports, airlines, or any other stakeholder. We will have to remember the symbiotic relationship which the group together enjoys. Right, and now we are fortunate as regards India that we are through the recovery from the pre-COVID thing, but the world is yet grappling with that, and ACI has forecasted that by 2024 we should touch the double of the traffic, and yes, it is a challenge outside the Asia Pacific region. World is looking at India, and I am happy that we are fortunate that we are sensitive to this importance of airports. We know that airports are economic magnets, and there is a web of economic activities which is surrounding that. So we will have to keep that light always on. Challenges in the form of profitability. Airport profitability is a big challenge. Investment in technology is very expensive. We can talk of AI, we can talk of robotics, or we can talk of eVTOLs, or we can talk of any kind of technology which I had listed in my notes, and that includes automation, facial recognition, digitization, and all the vertiports. All these need money, and challenges is to keep the airport's profitability in focus. And then we have already exhausted all sources of non-aero revenue, so we will have to be watchful on innovative or innovation in earning revenue from new sources. So for that we will have to introduce new services in the area of airport services, right? And then another thing is exploitation of capacity or the existing infrastructure. That is the buzzword that we should exploit or we should fully utilize. But the counter of that, or the conflict of interest, comes in the form of sustainability concerns. If you exploit the infrastructure, there are challenges which we will have to maintain in the form of sustainability. So we will have to concentrate on optimum utilization of existing infrastructure capacity, not the exploitation to the maximum. And then safety and security concern have always been a challenge so far as running the airport in a smooth manner is concerned. So that is always a challenge on the service point as well as on the what you call the cost wise. Then unique passenger experience. We all airports, airlines are working to give a passenger unique experience. It is said that you have to be millionaire to do the business which involves billions. So airports are not that much rich. It will have to be done in optimum manner by adopting to the high-tech technology which is viable and which is sustainable over a period of time. Traffic I have already mentioned that by 2024 we need to be in double. That's okay, and the world is looking at India. India is doing well. Sustainability goals are yet another challenge, and it has always been full of challenges. Okay, the global agencies in two parts, ACI and IATA, they will have to come closer they will have to look into each other's constraints and understand what is doable on the ground. They should accept each other. And ICAO or World Economic Forum, they will have to have the concerns resolved which are regulatory or in other form which comes under their domain. The white paper coming from ACI, ATA are having some conflict zones that needs to be resolved. And overall, we know that airports are economic magnets and governments are sensitive towards that. I think the time frame given by you, 5 minutes, is I have finished. So I think these are the challenges in a summing way I can foresee for airport management. All right, thank you.